Is your Acura TLX Apple CarPlay acting up or failing to connect entirely? Data shows that most connection issues are just software handshake errors that a quick reset will fix. Let us walk through the reset process step by step. First, forget the car in your iPhone settings, remove the pairing in the TLX menu, and hard reboot the infotainment system. If it still won't connect, ensure you are using a certified cable and that your device port is clean. Distinguish between minor software glitches and potential hardware damage like a frayed cable or a bad USB port. A basic reset solves the majority of cases, while swapping your cable handles most remaining connection problems. Toggle airplane mode to refresh your signal, and always inspect your cable for physical wear. Keep a non-conductive toothpick handy to clear lint from your phone port, which is a common hidden culprit. Think of this as a clean slate for the digital handshake between your phone and the car. Persistence is key, as sometimes it takes 2 tries for the system to fully re-register your device. If you are still stuck, it might be time to visit the dealer for a software update. Thanks for watching.